Welcome to Whiteboard Programming, and today let's discuss about what is SAP HR and provide a brief introduction to SAP HCM. So, I just used two terms, HCM and HR. Well, they are the same, as SAP HCM, which stands for Human Capital Management, is one of the key modules in SAP, and it's also called as SAP Human Resource, that is SAP HR, or SAP Human Resource Management System, that is SAP HRMS. And that's why I'll be using these terms interchangeably throughout this video and explain you what is SAP HCM, its submodules, key features, and overall benefits. So, let's get started. SAP Human Capital Management or SAP HCM is an integrated ERP solution designed to manage and optimize human resource processes and operations. SAP HCM streamlines HR processes, enhances workforce management, and maximizes employee engagement and productivity. The module provides end-to-end support for HR processes, starting from employee recruitment to performance management, payroll processing, and talent management. Further, SAP HCM contains many submodules, and all these modules are integrated with each other. Each submodule has unique features and capabilities that support different aspects of HR management. In essence, some of the key SAP HR submodules include: Number 1. Personnel Administration. It is the core submodule of SAP HCM and serves as the foundation for other modules. It manages employee data such as personal information, employment status, job history, and organizational structure. The key features of this submodule include centralized employee data management, automated data entry and validation, integration with other SAP HCM submodules, generation of HR reports and analytics, and support for multiple languages, currencies, and countries. Next, number 2. Organizational Management. Now, this submodule is used to define and manage an organization's structure, including positions, job, and departments. Organizational management helps organizations understand their workforce, visualize their hierarchy, and track employee movements. The key features of this submodule include creation and maintenance of organizational units, positions, and jobs, mapping the organizational structure, support for multiple organizational structures, integration with other SAP HCM submodules, and visualization of organizational structures using charts and diagrams. Next, number 3. Time Management. This submodule is used to track employee attendance, absence, and leaves, and calculate employee working hours. Time management integrates with other SAP HCM submodules such as Payroll to ensure accurate and timely payment. The key features of this submodule include automated attendance tracking using time clocks, recording of absence and leaves, calculation of employee working hours, overtime, and premium pay, integration with other SAP HCM submodules such as PA and Payroll, and support for time and attendance policies such as shift differentials, flex time, and overtime rules. Next, number 4. Payroll. It is used to manage employee compensation including salary, benefits, and deductions. Payroll submodule of SAP HCM integrates with other submodules such as PA and TM to ensure accurate and timely payment. The key features of this submodule include automated calculation of employee salaries, taxes, benefits, and deductions, generation of pay statements and payroll reports, integration with other SAP HCM submodules such as PA and TM, support for multiple payment methods such as direct deposit, checks, and wire transfer, and compliance with local tax laws and regulations. Next, number 5. Benefits. This SAP HCM submodule is used to manage employee benefits including health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits. Benefits management is integrated with Payroll and PA to ensure accurate benefit calculation and tracking. The key features of this submodule include management of employee benefits, enrollment and eligibility, calculation of employees' contribution, and employer matching, integration with other SAP HCM submodules such as PA and Payroll, support for multiple benefit plans and providers, and compliance with local benefit laws and regulations. Next, number 6. Talent Management. It provides tools for recruiting, onboarding, training, and developing employees. Talent Management integrates with other SAP HCM submodules such as PA and Payroll to provide a comprehensive talent management solution. The key features of this submodule are that it offers tools for job posting, resume screening, and candidate tracking, automated onboarding and orientation workflows, performance management features such as goal setting, performance evaluations and development planning, succession planning and career development tools, and integration with other SAP HCM submodules such as PA and Payroll. Next, number 7, travel management. It provides tools for managing employee travel expenses, including expenses related to business trips such as transportation, accommodation, and meals. The key feature of this submodule are as follows. It allows us to create and manage trip data. Calculation of meal allowance can be done. Maintain receipts claim and advance payment. Representation of internal company rules can be showcased. Trip-specific account assignment can also be done. Next, number 8. Learning solutions. Now, the Learning Solutions submodule in SAP HCM provides tools for managing employee training and development programs. The key features of this submodule are as follows. It allows us to create and manage a catalog of training courses available to employees, course registration and enrollment, creation and management of training curriculum and learning paths for employees, and finally, evaluating employee learning and development progress. Next, number 9, e-recruiting. Now, the e-recruiting submodule in SAP HCM provides tools for managing the recruiting process, right from posting job openings to onboarding new hires. The key features of this submodule are as follows. Creation and management of job postings, job posting distribution to various job boards and social media platforms, tracking job applicants and their application status, perform resume screening and candidate scoring, scheduling and managing of candidate interviews, and finally, automation and streamlining of the onboarding process for new hires. Next, number 10, employee and manager self-service. This submodule in SAP HCM enables employees and managers to access and manage their HR data, such as personal information, benefits, and payroll information. The key feature of this submodule are as follows. View and update their personal information, manage benefits information, view and manage their payroll information, and finally, manage time and attendance information. And whoa, that was long. But now that we know what all are the important SAP HCM submodules, let's understand the overall benefits of SAP HCM, starting with the biggest benefit of improved HR efficiency. SAP HR helps organizations improve HR efficiency by automating manual processes and providing tools to manage HR data and workflows. It also streamlines HR operations, enabling HR teams to focus on strategic initiatives such as talent management and employee engagement. Number 2, accurate and timely payroll processing. As we just discussed, the payroll submodule of SAP HCM automates payroll calculation and processing, ensuring accuracy and timeliness of payments. The software integrates with other SAP HCM submodules to ensure accurate calculation of employee salaries, benefits, and deductions. Next, number 3, enhanced talent management. Now, SAP HCM's talent management submodule enables organizations to attract, develop, and retain talent. The software provides tools for recruiting, onboarding, training, and managing employee performance, as well as succession plan and career development. Next, compliance with labor laws and regulations. Now, SAP HCM helps organizations comply with labor laws and regulations by automating HR processes and providing tools to manage employee data, working hours, and benefits. This further ensures that organizations comply with tax laws and regulations, labor laws, and benefit laws. Next, number 5, improved employee engagement. Now, SAP HCM provides tools for managing employee data and performance, enabling organizations to improve employee engagement and productivity. The software enables HR teams to create development plans and career paths which can help employees feel valued and engaged. And finally, in conclusion, we can say that SAP HCM is a comprehensive ERP solution for managing HR processes and operations. Further, SAP Human Capital Management is a crucial module in SAP that offers a comprehensive set of submodules. Here, each of these submodules has specific features that help organizations manage their HR processes more efficiently. Additionally, SAP SuccessFactors is a cloud-based HR solution that provides modern, user-friendly interface for managing HR functions in the cloud environment. By leveraging SAP HCM and SAP SuccessFactors, organizations can create a unified HR management system that enables them to streamline HR processes and enhance the employee experience. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, feel free to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.